Greetings to all of you. Myself Dr. Vijit Yadav, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Rajarshi Shah Mahavidyalaya, Latur. Today, I am going to discuss about the basics of fiber optics. The global, if you see the undersea fiber optic systems, the globe is entirely connected by the optical fibers. See, if you can see, these are the optical fiber connections. Here we have India, and India is connected to the globally through the optical fibers. My presentation will include reflection, refraction, critical angle, total internal reflection, optical fibers. What do you mean by reflection and refraction? The mirror reflects the light like this. Transparent medium refracts the light like this. The light coming from the one medium gets reflected on the mirror in the same medium. Here the light coming from one medium gets reflected in one medium, and when it enters into the second medium having different refractive index, we can call it as the light gets refracted. Which angle is larger, whether a reflection angle is larger or angle of refraction is larger? A light ray is emerging from glass to air. Which angle is larger in glass or air? Now this or this? For this, let us see our next. Now for a glass-air interface, the angle of refraction is in air is always greater than the incident angle. Whereas like this, when we get the light is incident at the interface, the light gets reflected. This is the angle of incidence, this is angle of refraction, and this is angle of refraction, and the angle of refraction is always greater than angle of incidence for glass air interface. Means glass light coming in the glass and entering into the air medium. Now which angle comes first? If the angle of incidence increases, which angle is 90 degree? The angle of incidence or the angle of refraction? This you can set it as for homework. When we increase the angle of incidence, the angle of refraction increases until it reaches to the one angle called as a critical angle. This is regarding when the angle of refraction is 90 degree, the incident angle is called as a critical angle. Critical angle is a very important concept for a glass air interface. The critical angle is 42 degree. At a critical angle, the angle of refraction is 90 degree. So because of refraction, the n is equal to sin r by sin I. If you consider this, r is equal to 90,